Okay, hi everyone, welcome all of you. In this video, I am going to explain to you multiple linear regression example question in two independent variables case. So let's get started. This is our general formulation, multiple linear regression formulation, and in this video, we are going to find these beta coefficients. Try to find these values, and these y, x1 and x2 values are already given, and by using these values we found x1 square, x2 square, and etc. the others value. So after using this, for example, x1 square, this column, we found summation of x1 square value, it's 19, and same thing the others. In this video we are actually focusing on calculation part and finding, as I mentioned, coefficients of beta values. Okay, in here, these x1, xi square values are our main variables value. What I mean, in here already given values. But this part is we are trying to find independent variables value. So don't be confused about that. With by using these values, we will find our independent variables values. So, for example, when we apply on summation of x1 part in here, summation of x1 square is already found as a 19, and minus summation of x1 is 20, and we will take square root of it and divide it n, which is number of observation, and as a result we found 10. When we apply the same way on the other equations, as you can see in here, we will reach all the values for with what I need. So why we are finding these values? Because by these values we will find coefficients. As you can see, these are coefficients formulas for b0, b1, and b2. These formulations comes from at the beginning equation, which is that part. Okay, let's continue. For example, let's apply beta 1 formulation. As you can see in here, first we already found summation of x2 square. What was its value? Its value is 32.8. When we put on all of these values on the equation, as you can see in here, I already put, and we will reach beta 1 value, which is 2.28. And same way for beta 2, and we will reach minus 1.67, and for beta 0 value, we will reach 2.79. So when we put all these coefficients on that equation, we will reach this new equation, and we found the coefficients already. That's all for that question. Thanks for listening.